Okay, time to deliver. DJ Yogurt. We all need your dose of acidophilus cultures. For me, yogurt. Alright. Hoes on my dick cause the cream on my face. Hoes on my dick cause I leave nothing to waste. Hoes on my dick cause I cut up these beats. Hoes on my dick, I'll put your hoes in the street. Hoes on my dick, you better listen. Hoes on my dick, I've been given. Hoes on my dick, the keys to the kingdom. Hoes on my dick, yeah, I bring them. Hoes from out of town. Hoes on my dick, you say you're underground. Hoes on my dick, I smoke shit by the pound. Hoes on my dick, I'm never found. Hoes on my dick, I'm like missing footage of me. It's a gifty. Hoes on my dick, I'm so rare. Hoes on my dick like eating a juicy pear. Don't stare. Hoes on my dick like it's a habit. Hoes on my dick, these hoes gotta have it. I'm addicting. Hoes on my dick, yeah, I'm lifting. My eyes is closed cause I'm so high. Hoes on my dick cause I know how to fly. Hoes on my dick, I levitate. Hoes on my dick, I'm stealing your date. Hoes on my dick, they email me. Hoes on my dick cause they want to impale me. I had to take a break. My bank account or something. What? Now. Hoes on my dick cause I look like June Cleaver. Hoes on my dick, I let them leave it to Beaver. Hoes on my dick cause I do shit irregular. Hoes on my dick and I will never fall for her. Hoes on my dick, yeah, my mom. Hoes on my dick like it's my job. Hoes on my dick cause I'm so beautiful. Hoes on my dick, I'm so beautiful. I do shit like it's fucking my duty. Hoes on my dick cause of my booty. Hoes on my dick, yeah, you thought I would fail. Hoes on my dick, yeah, what's that smell? It's my chronic. Hoes on my dick cause they are bobbing. Hoes on my dick like fishing. Hoes on my dick cause I'm gifted. Hoes on my dick cause my rhymes are sick. That was a gift. Will be Andy Milonakis, Rick Nasty, Hoes on my dick, Storky, it's my entry. Sorry, it's so fucking good. Hoes on my dick, yeah, you should. Hoes on my dick, yeah, I'm a hoe. Hoes on my dick, yeah, you're a hoe. Hoes on my dick, fucking so what? I'm doing so what? Correctly. I'm a genius.